The big innovation that we brought is that we understood the relationship with time temperature and the relationship with the quality of the product.
Sous vide technology is great because you're supposed to cook in the pouch. So like that you can control the temperature, you close whatever ingredient you put in it, so you enhance the flavor, you keep it juicier.
If it's done correctly, it cooks at the exactly perfect temperature, and with the time it has the perfect tenderness, or the tenderness that you want to have, the color that you want to have. And if the raw material is good, it restitutes the taste about 3 or 4 times the normal part.
You can get a really tough cut of meat and make it taste like filet mignon. No matter what you do, the consistency of sous vide, you can have the same product all the time.
When the customer come to see us and they taste the food and they cannot believe the quality that a big factory can produce.
We are a chef-centric organization. We are moved by chefs. Once you understand that, you can really be very creative with fish, meat, chicken, sauces, whatever you want.
Everybody else was doing meals. That means they were putting a protein with starch, with vegetable and a sauce, and all cooked together. When you do that, you compromise the cooking. So what we did, and we're the only one to do that, we cooked protein, cooked vegetable, cooked sauce separately. And then we need a chef to show how to assemble, to see what kind of different combination they could have. So
coming here and seeing the reasons why we do certain things, the reason why we cook at a certain temperature or certain length, I think that's one of the things that kind of blew my mind. Wow, you can achieve perfection if we cook it for this amount of time for this amount of temperature, and I think that's perfect.
It's not about masking or manipulating, it's about bringing out the best attributes of the ingredients, unlocking special flavors and textures that you wouldn't be able to achieve with traditional cooking methods.
It's definitely trial and error. It's a lot of testing. What will hold a moisture content? What will re-crisp once it's been sous vide? Because obviously you're putting something in water, essentially.
We have no boundaries when it comes to innovation, and our leaders are the first ones to allow us to do that.
We don't bring innovation only to products. We bring innovation to process, we bring innovation to manufacturing.
We always pushed people, the chefs, the engineers, the quality control people to the limit of the limit.
So once the chef sets that benchmark, the processes are then developed step by step. And then we now make sure that once it enters into the plant for a full production, we are collecting data and we are constantly measuring it up against what that standard is. We're doing, sensory evaluation, we're doing visual evaluations. So we're constantly checking the process as we go along. And then even to the very end of the finished product, there's no product that goes out the door that we're not sampling from that cooked product before it leaves.
And when we reproduce the product, if we serve it to 10,000 people or 1,000 people, the quality is always the same.
So I think one of the main communication that we need to keep developing to our consumers is that you get better texture, you enhance the flavors, you have a product that is absolutely 100% safe.
Because for me, the impossible is possible with Cuisine Solutions, and the impossible is possible with Sous Vide.